There's a kind of tiredness that has nothing to do with how hard you work today. It's the tiredness of trying to plan for every version of tomorrow before it even arrives. You tell yourself, if I think it through enough times, nothing will catch me off guard. But here's what nobody tells you. The tighter you hold the future, the more exhausted you become. And that's exactly what we're looking at today. Most of us were taught that a good life is a well-planned life. Make the list, set a 5-year goal, have a backup plan for the backup plan. And for a while, it feels like it's working. You feel in control. But when something small happens, a delayed flight, a change of mind, a phone call you didn't expect, and the whole structure shakes. Because no matter how detailed the plan, life was never going to follow it exactly. So you build a bigger plan and a bigger one until planning itself becomes the thing that's wearing you out. Buddhism has a teaching for this. It's called Dependent Origination. It simply means nothing happens on its own. Everything that occurs depends on countless other things happening around it. A flower doesn't decide to bloom. It blooms because of soil, rain, sunlight, season, thousands of conditions meeting at once. Your life is the same. Every outcome you're trying to control is really the result of thousands of causes, most of which you can't see and never will. So, when you sit and try to plan the future by yourself, you're trying to do the work of 1,000 invisible hands alone. No wonder it's exhausting. The Buddha wasn't saying, don't plan, don't try, don't care. He was saying, understand what planning can actually do and let go of the part it was never yours to hold. You can prepare the soil. You cannot make the rain fall on command. The moment you understand this, something loosens. Not because you stop caring about the outcome, but because you stopped mistaking yourself for the only cause in the room. This is not giving up. It's finally putting the weight down that was never yours to carry alone. I want to tell you about someone. Let's call him Nicky. Nicky ran his life on a spreadsheet, career timeline, savings target, even a rough plan for when he proposed to his girlfriend. He believed if I plan it well enough, nothing will go wrong. Then the company he worked for restructured. His role was cut without warning. on a random Tuesday morning. Nikki spent that whole week trying to figure out what he'd missed, what line in the plan he'd gotten wrong. But there was no line. It was never just about him. The market shifted, a manager left, a decision was made in a room he never sat in. One evening, instead of opening his spreadsheet again, Nikki just sat by the window and let the thought come. I was never the only cause. It didn't fix his job situation, but something in his chest unclenched for the first time in days. He told me later, I stopped trying to outplan the universe. I just started responding to what was actually in front of me. So, what does this mean for you and your own plans? It doesn't mean stop planning. It means planning was never meant to guarantee anything. It was only ever meant to prepare you, not control what happens next. The outcome always depended on more than you. That's not a failure. That's just how anything comes to be. You can hold your plans a little more loosely now, not because you stopped trying, but because you finally see the whole picture. Tonight, if you catch yourself trying to plan for every possibility again, try this one small thing. Just say to yourself quietly, I am one cause among many. I can prepare. I cannot control it all. If this found you at the right time, leave a comment with one plan you're ready to hold a little more loosely. And if someone you know is exhausting themselves trying to plan for everything, send them this.